Hi everybody, this is Jamison with Tips and Tricks Tuesday. You can find me on Instagram at the Bali Llama. You've been watching Candy Shawl now for a bit. Maybe you even follow our hashtag #WeCutFrench. French cutting is vastly different from traditional British cutting. In British, everything is done palm to palm. You typically use a smaller shear and use the thumb to drive your sections. In French cutting, it's a bit different. We build the layering from the top down and we cut everything on top of the hand using our 7-inch curved shear. If you're wondering what the difference is between the two shears, in British cutting, you're usually using a convex or a Japanese sharpened shear. It's about like this. So you're snapping the shear together and the blades are touching this way. In French cutting, we actually rarely ever fully close the shear. It's more of a sawing motion. So our shear is sharpened at a 35 or 45 degree bevel, and that's what gives it that beautiful butter cut when you're coming through your section. If you look at our 7-inch shear, it's ice tempered stainless out of Germany. They're all hand bent. So if you can see there's a slight curvature to the shank. And what that does is when you're cutting your basic outline, you're not having to over direct your wrist so much. Also, the curvature of the shear is already going with the section that you're cutting. Again, ergonomically designed so that you're not having to suffer from long-term challenges like carpal tunnel. Another great feature that we have is the shear has a butterflied handle. Now the purpose for that is we actually take the scissor all the way down to the base of the ring finger and the thumb, so that when we take our sections, we're actually just sawing the hair this way. It makes it really amazing for a comfort fit. If you're wondering how to get these, check us out on our website, sunlightsbalayage.com, so that you can pick up your pair of Candy Shawl French scissors.
Hi, Candy Shawl, the Bali Llama here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or go to sunlightsbalayage.com to learn more about our classes. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications of all the fresh new ideas, tips, and tricks that we release every week. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.